Guys, do you want to know how to install MinGW compiler and how to use it for running your C or C++ program? So this video is for you. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Guys, in this video, I will be showing you how to download and install MinGW compiler and how to use it for running your C program. So let's start the video. So guys, you can open any of your favorite browser and simply search for MinGW download. And guys, here you can see the website sourceforge.net. You need to just click on this link. So it will redirect you to this page, and here guys, you need to click on this download button, and here it's showing it will download shortly, and you can see my download is done guys. Guys, my download is done. Now I'm going to click on this exe. Let me close my browser guys, and here I'm going to simply click on install button. And here it's showing me location where my MinGW will be installed. Just click on continue button guys. And now here it will start installing your software. And here it's showing me this screen. It's showing different products. Here I will be selecting the GNU C++ compiler. So just select it and click on mark for the installation. So it will be marked, and here go to this installation menu and click on apply changes. Again here click on apply button, so it will apply the changes whatever you have selected. It will be downloaded, and finally click on close button, and then you can close this installer also. So my installation is done. Let's go to now C:\MinGW, and here we have a bin folder which is containing all my application which are used for running my C or C++ program. So we have to set this path into environmental variable. So simply copy this path, and then guys just start your edit the environmental variable. In search you can type this, and here you can select this, and now guys here you can click on environmental variable button, and under system variables select path and click on edit. Here paste the copied path guys, and just click on OK button, and one more time OK button. So path set is also done, installation is done. So now I will be showing you how to run a C program using it. So on my desktop I am creating one folder, CS corner, and in this folder I will be creating one C file. So here I am just right clicking and selecting new file, new text document, and I am giving name as hello.c. I'm simply hitting enter button guys. So it's asking me this message. So let me just click on yes. So since the file was text, I have changed to C. So it's asking me permission. So now I will open this in Notepad, and here I will be typing one simple program for printing hello world. So my code is done guys. I will save this, Ctrl S, or go to file menu and save. Now come back again to your folder, and here simply type cmd. So you can see the command prompt has been started with this path. So my program is there in this path, hence I started cmd here. Now simply type gcc space hello.c, and boom guys, you can see I'm not getting any error, and my program compiled successfully with the name a.exe. Now to run this, you have to again go to command prompt and simply type a.exe. You can see my prompt has written. So that's all guys. This conclude my video. I hope by following my video you are able to install MinGW compiler. Last month also guys I created video on MinGW. So many requests were coming, they were not able to install, hence I recreated video again. So I hope your problem has been resolved. Do let me know through comment. And guys, if you really like my video, then don't forget to hit on like button, and please share my video to your friend as much as possible. And guys, I'm sharing lots of PDF notes on my Telegram. You can join my Telegram or my other social media. The link is in description box guys. I'm there on Instagram, LinkedIn. All my social media link is in description box. Also guys, very important for me is your subscription. If I'm helping you, please do support me by subscribing my channel. Thank you guys for watching my video. I'll see you in my next video. Till that, bye bye, take care, keep watching, keep learning guys.